Hey everyone, my name is Scott and I'm going to be sharing with you today how to start Shopify dropshipping with a hot winning product that's got great profit margins, it solves a solution, and it's evergreen, something you guys can sell today all the way into Christmas and ride that wave. I always look for evergreen products, but if we have a seasonal product too, we'll ride that wave as well. If we can make $20,000, $50,000, even $100,000 in the next 2 months, writing a seasonal product will do it too. But in this video, we're going to be setting up an evergreen Shopify store selling this massage red light therapy product. It's called a cupping device, a massage cupper. And the cool thing about it, you guys, is it solves a major pain point. People wanting massages, they got pain in their back, pain in their legs, they're into working out, but they got these knots in the back of their back and they need help with some type of cupping device. And this one is electric. And this store we're going to be breaking down is called Rev-O-Matic. You guys can see that right here. And the great thing about it that I always look for, guys, we can get a product for about $10 and sell it upwards of $60, $70. So think about that, you guys. We buy it for $10, we sell it for $60, $70. And it's not just one item. People will buy 2 and 3. They'll put like 3 or 4 or 6 of these things on their back. And that's a great opportunity for you guys to make higher average order values. Incentivize your customers to want to buy more than one. So buy 1 at 50% off, buy 2 at 60% off, buy 3 at 70% off. Okay, even at the top of your website, you could say up to 70% off. So we're going to be breaking down this store, guys. They are scaling right now. You could see their monthly visitors. They just keep kind of going up. Over 317,000 just this last month in May. And the last 30 days, it's showing $1.2 million on the low end, and on the high end, over $2.1 million in the last 30 days. So they have incredible margins. They got lots of monthly visitors, and they got great revenue. And we can source this product right here in the United States, guys, on eBay for less than $14 shipped to our customer. If you want to get it shipped using Union Express, which takes about 7 to 12 business days, we can get it as low as about $8, $9. So you can source it from eBay right here in USA for about $13, $14, or you can source it from China using Union Express, YUN Express, and have it there in about 13 business days, guys, around $8, $9. Okay, ship. Now, one thing I want to share with you, if you want to build your value even more, put together like an oil with the product. So that's what this company's doing here, Rev-O-Matic. They're doing like a massage oil. So just put together like a 2-ounce massage oil and say free massage oil with every purchase. So if they buy 2, they get 2 massage oils, etc. They buy 3, they get 3 massage oils. Now there's something really important to know with dropshipping. If you're going to send a product to your customer, it doesn't cost much more money to add another one into the same package. So let's say we buy from our supplier in China, okay, and we pay like $8, $9. To sell 2 of them, it's probably only $14. Does that make sense? Your price doesn't double. It actually just like goes up a little bit more to sell 2 and 3. So that's the same idea with dropshipping. You want to find a product where you could sell 2 and 3 and you incentivize the person. They don't even want to buy 1. They want to buy the 2-pack or the 3-pack. It's like becomes more irresistible, the offer itself. All right, one thing that I also like about this product, if you go to the ads library, which is free on Facebook, you see a ton of winning videos that this company here, Rev-O-Matic, is running. And you don't necessarily need to steal their videos, but you can take maybe some clips and some parts that are really viral working videos, okay? You could take like little clips and use it for yourself. There's even videos over here on TikTok that we can take that I found were super viral, some of these videos. And so we can take some videos from our competitor as long as they don't have their branding on it, they don't say the name of their company. And there's also a bunch of videos on TikTok that you guys could use for free. And you guys know it's really simple. You just get the link, you go over here to this website called SnapVid. There's a lot of them, SnapTik, SnapVid, and you can get the HD version just by pasting in the link. And you guys want to get all the videos you can from TikTok that have the highest maximum views, and you want to download the HD version. All right, really cool stuff here, guys. So there's a lot of ads out there, and that's what we're looking for. We're looking for a product that's got a ton of videos. And one thing that I really liked is that their #1 ad is right here, guys. It's actually an image. So it's good to see that Images are also working really well in the marketing right here. Here's a story size image, and we can literally paste this into ChatGPT and say, remake me the same image, but with my branding on it, my company name, or with 70% off, like a static like Facebook image. So this is incredible, guys. We got videos working, we got images working, and there's a lot of opportunity here. Here's another image right here, and you guys can see these are images that you could reverse engineer and have ChatGPT make you a new image, but with your branding on it, all right? Both of these images right here are working for them. And that's one thing I want to share with you guys. If you're going to run any type of Facebook ads, what really works is having a combination of videos with photos. You don't just want to run one videos. You don't just want to run photos. You want to run both inside of your ad sets because they will play off of each other. If videos are having a bad day, photos might be having a good day. One day in your ad account, photos might be doing bad, the videos are going to be doing good. So you want to have a combination of both when you're running your Facebook ads. And that's really important, everybody. So I hope you guys are getting a lot of value here today. We got a ton of videos. We got great marketing. I've already given you a lot of advice when it comes to adding in the buy two, buy three, 50% off, buy one, 60% off, buy two, 70% off, buy three. If you guys can figure out a way to add a massage oil to the order, I would say that free bottle of massage oil with every single purchase. And all you got to do is just go over to here to AliExpress and type in some type of massage oil, massage oil therapy or something like that. Therapy oil. Find a simple little bottle. You could even ask your supplier, what type of massage oil can you find me that's really similar to this one here? And then they'll find it for you. And a lot of times, guys, it's less than $1, less than $2. So your cost of goods will go from like $8, $9 to maybe like $13, just $2 more on top of the massage cupping device. So it's not that much more, but it gives you guys more value to make your offer more irresistible. Another thing that I want to point out to you guys is that look at these images right here. They're really good. I would paste every single one of these images into ChatGPT and say, reverse engineer these images for myself, for my brand, my product page. Whatever it is that you guys are trying to build, you always want to take from your competitor and use it for yourself, all right? This image here is great because it has the as seen on Hollywood, Shake, Well Good, US Weekly. Anytime you guys have as seen on, that's an immediate trust building, especially on your images, even on your website. This as seen on horizontal ticker right here is phenomenal. You guys want to have these right here. Lots of videos, great, good little photos, awesome. I like how it shows how it works. You guys can literally take these images, ask ChatGPT to make it for your brand. So instead of Revo on it, to put your branding name on there, you guys. Just like this eBay image here, doesn't have any branding on here. It's just a universal generic device. But go ahead and make that branding. Put it on there. Who cares? Have fun with it. That's what the AI is all about, guys, is to have fun with it. Put your branding on it. So this is an exciting product. Great margins, solves a solution, great TikTok videos, lots of opportunity. You guys see the guy over here. He's doing millions of dollars in sales. You can get in front of this wave. All you need to do, guys, is build yourself a high converting product page. Something that's got great photos like this, where it builds the value. You got this 50% off on one with a free massage oil bottle. The buy two is a 60% off with 2 massage oil bottles. You guys get what I mean? You guys want to have these great viral looking photos with the as seen on, with these badges right here, 65% off. That stuff actually really matters. You guys don't realize it, but putting 60% off or 75% off badges, those little round things on your photos really helps. Even guarantee badges helps. That type of stuff is going to help with your sales and your conversions. All right, everybody. This is Scott Rayleigh here. I am your digital ecom mentor. I'm not going to be building the page today. I'm not going to be setting up the ads. I'm going to do a part 2 video for that. But I want to get you guys excited to subscribe to this channel and look forward to that part 2 video where I'm going to build the AI images. I'm going to show you everything. I'm even going to build the ad campaign, and we're going to spend about $200, $300 and see if we can get some good sales, if we can start making some profit on this very exact product, guys. So I want you to subscribe to this channel. I want you to like this video. I also have my free course on my website over here that you guys can go over here to this course. You can sign up for free. You can start watching these videos. Okay, I got mindset videos. I got how to set up your store. I got winning product research. One of my favorite tools, as you guys probably already seen so far, is Winning Hunter. I got a lot of great videos in here how to use Winning Hunter. All right, Winning Hunter has been my favorite, and they get better every week. Those guys over there, Roger, the owner, is adding all kinds of new stuff all the time. I share with you guys how to do AI photos, how to do AI banners, how to really make your site look beautiful. Just recently, I set up a new website for one of my students, and we're marketing this magnetic train, you guys. And look at these banners right here on this website. This is all AI ChatGPT. So it takes my exact product. I got a 10% off quality 10 for his store Essential Quality. I mean, beautiful AI banners, guys. This is all ChatGPT right here. And I share with you guys how to build these banners inside of my course. I even got a bunch of different students in here, like Julio's $1,000 day. I got a bunch of student success stories in here. So learn about these success stories, learn how they ran their ads, how we scaled their ads. You guys are gonna love this course. Have fun with it, sign up, get your free account, and come back for part 2, everyone. I'm gonna be launching this product, setting it up, showing you how I would set up the bundles, how I would set up the AI images, and even edit my videos, guys. I already have some great ideas how I would edit these videos already, like awesome ideas. Like I already know which videos that I want to edit and make for myself. Like this video here, I really want to use for myself. Let me play it for you.
On my back, that's tension I don't carry anymore. To provide me instant relief, I use this. It's the Revo Smart Cupper. You just place it where it hurts and it sucks the tension out. It also adds heat.
It's a woman in there saying you just place it where your hair hurts and it sucks the suction out. I even like this video over here on TikTok. It's fire, guys. Watch this part right here. The lady gets so excited, and that's what you need in a video. You need excitement. You need someone like, oh, wow, I can't believe this. Take a look at this right here. It's crazy.
Like,
watch this.
So tight.
This girl gets so like,
Where?
what the hell? Watch this.
See.
Yeah.
Look at this right here.
What?
What?
Oh my gosh. Do you see how much that is pulling at his
Look at it. It's pulling.
Is
Oh my
it heated
gosh.
too?
Yeah.
That could be an intro to the video right there, guys, to show
Wait,
that.
I thought you had to go to a spa for one of these.
I thought you had to go to a spa for one of these. Oh my God. You guys see what I mean? You need these type of creatives to market a winning product. All right. And the reason I like this a lot is one of their best winning creatives is a photo, guys, a photo. We can literally take this photo and remake these with ChatGPT like this. So easy. All right, everyone. Again, go over to my course, subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and let me know if you guys like this product, anything more that you want to learn to help you grow your Shopify dropshipping store. I've had a lot of people come to me recently asking for help with their pet store. A lot of people out there marketing pet stores right now, guys. So if you need help setting up your pet store, your collection, how to basically build that thing, there's 2 stores out here that I want you to follow if you're into pet products, all right? This is one of them right here. It's called Peer Path. They're doing millions of dollars every single 30 days, and they're scaling, and they got great marketing. This is one of them right here. You guys need to follow this store. You need to learn about this store, how they're doing their bundle offers, how they're setting up their pages right here with these videos, moving videos, us versus them. Amazing marketing, guys. The next store is called Marlene's Pet Shop. They are crushing it too, guys. Killing it with this product right here, which is the pet cat scratching device. It's round. It's like a toy cat scratching. It's like an all-in-one product. Amazing product. We can get this as low as $6, $7 and sell it upwards of $49.59 for the buy one, buy two. This is a great winning product right here, you guys. So if you're interested in doing a pet store, follow me for more. Reach out to me. Even on my website, guys, I got a Calendly thing where you guys can book a call with me on Zoom. You just got to scroll down. You'll find it eventually. It's on here a few times. Here's one right here. Book a call with Scott. You go ahead and pick the day, pick the time, and I'll meet you on Zoom, and I'll go over your ads, I'll go over your store, and I'll tell you exactly how to optimize it to get you guys sales and scale your business. I'll even tell you, hey, if it's a bad idea, if it's set up wrong, I'll be honest with you, I'll be nice about it, but I want you guys to win this year in 2026. There's a lot of people out there sharing bad advice on YouTube. I watch these videos all the time. They think that you can just go to Claude and set up an AI website overnight. You need yeah, these AI tools are helpful, but you need like the eye of an experienced mentor, guys, to really make this work. You know, it's not that easy. Just type into Claude and have it do it all for you. Sometimes Claude can make it worse than what you could do sometimes, is what I've seen. All right, everyone, let me know if you got a lot of value from this video. I'll see you on the next one. Ciao for now.